Guys, after a long 5-hour drive, we're about to reach this place called Playa Tamarindo. Supposed to be a very good hot local spot. There's a lot of restaurants, a lot of shops, and a lot of things to do here. So hopefully we're going to stay here 1 to 2 nights. So let's go along for the ride and see what we can find.
Turbo.
All right, Playa Tamarindo. We're checking for the last 2 nights that we need to stay here. Not the last 2 nights, but almost the last 2 nights. No luck so far.
We got kicked out.
We're having fun anyways. We're exploring, and we got a little something right here. So
just a little one.
Let's
just
keep checking.
That's exactly what I want.
Wow. Animals.
You know, and it's just,
Pura vida, guys.
The who?
Life, pure life.
I got a Costa Rican hamburger made from a big lizard.
¿Cuál, mi amor? Estos. No, esa es una salsa lisana. ¿Qué cosa para qué? Esto combina bien con lo que es, puede ser nachos, puede ser cosas con arroz, tal vez una hamburguesa. Esa es salsa picante y ya te traigo el vinagre balsámico. Sí, eso mismo.
You understand that? I did it.
I still like. I have an attraction to her. So
okay.
Whatever. See. Yes.
Yo, don't throw stuff at it.
Yeah, stop. No. Live action in Costa Rica. Pura vida.
Oh yeah, you know remember the episode of SpongeBob where it was the SpongeBob?
Okay, we're in Action Tours, and we're actually at Joe's twin brother's establishment.
My hidden brother, he didn't want to hook me up though. He didn't want to hook me up with a special deal.
It's crazy, man. Your own brother.
I know, right?
Full price.
Yes.
The brother plan, right?
The what?
He said that you guys were brothers.
They were rollers?
Brothers.
Oh, brothers. Yeah.
Definitely twin brother in Costa Rica, man.
Oh, you're videoing me.
Here you go, brother. $3,000.
All right, if you're gonna get a video, then you might as well get it like.
Yeah,
Here, let's
right,
get the sunglasses down too.
Oh, look at that, man.
I found him. See, I knew I had another one. Off to another adventure. This time we're going to the wilderness in a UTV. See what happens. See how many alligators we catch.
Put in the brake.
So we'll see what happens, guys.
Riding dirty.
All right, we're coming live from Costa Rica. Yep, it's all here. We're in I guess a native beach. It's like a giant cove. I don't know if you guys can see it behind me. It's pretty big. Finally, no waves. Because every beach we have gone to has humongous waves. That's why Costa Rica is known as the surfing capital of the Central America, I think. Well, I just made that up. It's okay. But yeah, here join We just went ATV riding, UTV riding. We got wet. We went through Hurricane Andrews, Wilma, and I guess whatever they called it here. But yeah, finally at a beach with no waves. I don't see no fishes. Let me see the fishes. But it was a good ride. We have gone to the hills, the volcanoes, another beach, I forgot what it's called, Playa Negra. That was dark. Actually, it was ash. I guess sand mixed with ashes. And it was actually, the sand was black. But this one is, I guess, semi sand, semi clay. So it's kind of brownish. But the cool thing about it is we're right at the foot of the hills. I don't know if you guys could really tell here, but we're at the foot of the hills.
Pura vida. Salud.
Yeah, it was best way for that.
How long we staying here?
Okay guys, yes, it was a great tour of the UTV. It was about 2 hours long. We had a great time, and this is something you must do because they take you to places that you normally don't go. So it's very unique, the experience, and it was a lot of fun.